Here, Daddy. This.
Okay, Daddy will read this one. So what are we doing?
So open? Is it open?
It'll open.
A pillow?
A pillow.
Pillows?
Mm-hmm.
Pillows?
Is that a good paper?
One paper?
Oh, what's that?
Stoves?
Stoves and toasters and pots.
Cake?
Pan. Frying pan.
Mirror?
No, it's a frying pan.
Open.
It's a frying pan with the top open, yes.
Okay. One page? One page?
What's on that page? Do you see the glasses
Where?
on the paper?
That's right.
That's right. How many do you see?
1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6.
You skipped a few numbers there, but that's
open.
the concept.
It's open.
Where's the what?
It's on the page.
The other page? I don't know. Can you turn it?
No. Pictures.
Pictures. What'd you have for breakfast?
Raisins?
And what else? Did you have some apple
Yes.
and oatmeal? Sounds good. You know who else eats a lot of oatmeal? Grandpa. Grandpa eats oatmeal for breakfast.
Number.
Numbers?
I mean the paper.
Yes, just like Mommy and Daddy.
A page.
That's only one page in that paper.
Read this. I read this.
You want to read this one? The real estate section? That's about the houses.
I think he likes the colorful ones.
Mm.
There's some more under there.
He already read those.
Oh. Trevor, are you sitting in the big boy chair? You a big boy, Trevor? Are you a big boy?
I'm reading the paper.
Yeah.
I'm reading the paper.
I see.
I'm reading this. A rabbit.
Mm-hmm. You ripped it? It's okay.
That's okay.
That's
Ooh,
that.
what's in that? What's in that paper?
Here's another paper.
Ooh.
Where did I miss this one? Is it open? Is it open?
You can open.
It's an open picture.
Trevor, you know what? Today's Groundhog's Day. You know what that means? The groundhog comes out of its hole and it looks around And it tells us what the weather's going to be for the year.
The numbers.
Yeah, the numbers and letters. What number is this?
2.
No, that's a 1. And that's a 0. This is a 2.
Up there.
And this is a 6.
Up there. Up there. Up there. Up there. Up there.
Up there, yeah.
What's this? What's this?
That's a,
It says Serta.
What's that? What's that?
that one says Sealy. Those are mattress insignias.
What did that say?
Can't read that number.
I can't see that one.
You see all the lamps and lights?
It's a door.